my benefit.
Okay. Alright. Of course, I'm lubing the needle.
Okay.
I'm going to do the piercing. I will, obviously then I'll I'll make sure I have it deep enough. And then I will go ahead and remove it. I'll go and do a little dip of KY on
Do you want
the
to
end
put
there.
KY on that right now? Or I can dip it.
No.
Okay, I'm just trying to minimize the number of things you have to do.
That's okay.
Okay, well let me stand at an angle where I can see I'm so nervous for you.
Okay. Now, of course, I want to do this at an angle. And right here seems like it'd be just about right. Okay. And are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is definitely a lot tougher than I expected.
That's what I was trying to tell you his skin is.
I'm not sure if I'm actually putting as much pressure on this as I think I am.
You okay?
Mm-hmm. Just concentrating.
Okay.
So the finger is a tough son of a bitch.
Yes. Skin is in general.
Actually, let's see how much I need to go further. Shouldn't be too much more. Obviously, this is taking a lot longer than anyone who actually knows what they're doing would need, but... Also, I do have a glass of water over there as a just in case.
Yep. Let me know if you need it.
Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, I'm going to remove the needle. And I have a bit of sterile gauze here. I'm going to dab that up.
Let me take the needle out of the way. The used needle.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead
This is the receiving tube with the magnet on it.
Yep. Now this is where I'm going to need your help, honey.
Hold on, I need to put this where you should have had a sharps container. Right?
Yeah. Okay. No.
Taper.
Yeah. Actually, no. Yeah. Use the taper. And I basically need to get this pushed off of the end of that. Okay. massage it down right at the moment.
Okay.
I'm going to sit here and let it hold for a moment.
Do you want a fresh piece of gauze?
Yes. And as much as I'm a little bit shaky, that didn't actually hurt much outside of I'm not sure how much pressure I was actually applying, since in the past, doing things that typically I shouldn't be doing to myself, you tend to not be doing anywhere near as much as you think you are.
Your body naturally resists it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure if that's actually in. As you can see, it's fairly deep. Amazingly enough, the magnet is small enough that I actually can't feel it. Right now I'm just trying to see if I can do a little bit of elevation to keep that from coming up too much. The only concern I really have at the moment is basically that I can't tell how deep the magnet actually is, because it's small enough that it might not cause any real raising of the skin, but at the same time I don't think it's up a thing, and like I said, since you clearly saw how deep the taper was going, it should be in pretty well. Alright, I'm going to give this a minute or two more before I bother trying to seal it. I want to do one last check just to make sure it hasn't risen up next to the actual wound. And before I can really check and actually see anything, I need to make certain that it's not bleeding enough to where, it's going to obscure vision of the wound itself. Just out of curiosity, honey, can you tell?
No.
I don't think it's a tip. One last check. it's not up next to the wound. It's probably down about here or so. Right to the side of my pad. Okay, I'm going to stop poking at it now. As much fun as that is. Alright. So a bit there. Now, I should clean this up before. I could probably use the alcohol swab for that. This is something I had not thought to.
Yes, something we didn't plan for was cleaning the blood off before we sealed it.
Yeah, but the alcohol pads are best bet here, I think.
Let me set the camera down and open it for you.
Okay.
Since I have the non-sterile hands. Actually, I'll keep it open and do it.
So you don't have to clean all of it up.
Get it in there.
Okay, maybe that's not going to work. It's not actually cleaning much up.
There you go.
That's alright. Well, the blood's not going to hurt it. It'll come off pretty soon by itself anyways.
I'm going to do this.
Liquid bandage or this, because it looks like it's doing fairly well.
Which one do you want?
Neither at the moment.
Okay.
I'm going to give it a chance for the alcohol to come up first. Alright, I'm going to do the new skin. So I'm going to open it up, and I'll go ahead and change my glove before.
I can.
No, it's okay. Unless I'm not real concerned about the sanitation on this hand. This is more.
It's that part I'm worried about. Okay. You're sweaty.
Yeah, maybe I should have given myself a short bit of time to.
There you go.
Alright. Paint on some liquid bandage. Just use the brush to kind of thin it out a little bit so it's not